This is BBC One. We apologise for interrupting our programming. What you are about to hear is not a simulation or public exercise. This is an official and final emergency broadcast. Please remain attentive. We regret to inform the public that the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA), in coordination with the European Space Agency (ESA), the UK Space Agency, Roscosmos, JAXA, and other international scientific organisations, have confirmed that the Sun has undergone a sudden and catastrophic expansion into its red giant phase. This expansion was unexpected and without prior indication. It does not align with existing models of stellar evolution. At this stage, the cause of the anomaly is unknown. The red giant transformation was projected to occur billions of years from now. Its arrival today, without warning or precedent, has left the global scientific community without explanation or solution. As of the latest satellite and orbital readings within the next hour, the following outcomes are projected with absolute certainty. Mercury is expected to be fully engulfed by the expanding solar envelope within 15 minutes. Venus will follow approximately 10 minutes later. Earth is on trajectory to be consumed within the next 45 to 60 minutes. In addition to the engulfment of Earth, the planet is already experiencing rapid surface temperature increases beyond survivable thresholds, complete breakdown of atmospheric integrity, worldwide communication blackouts, failure of power grids and life support infrastructure. These changes will accelerate in the coming minutes. Conditions on the planet will become incompatible with human or biological life. There is no hope of survival. All emergency protocols, including space-based evacuation, underground containment and radiation shielding, have been attempted and failed. There are no operational spacecraft capable of relocating the population. No part of the Earth's surface or subsurface is capable of withstanding the intensity of the oncoming stellar matter. Atmospheric collapse, rapid temperature rise, and lethal levels of solar radiation are already occurring. These conditions are unsurvivable, and complete planetary destruction is imminent. All global evacuation and mitigation strategies have failed. There is no contingency plan, no safe region, and no means of escape. We advise all individuals to remain indoors, remain calm, and be with their loved ones. Use these final moments to prepare as best as you can. This concludes all programming and transmissions. This is the end of the world as we know it. No life will remain. The Earth, our home, will be reduced to plasma and dust as it is drawn into the expanding mass of the Sun. This is the last official communication from BBC One, the United Kingdom government, and all allied global broadcasting networks. We thank you for allowing us to be part of your lives, to inform, to educate, and to connect people across the world. Humanity has achieved much, but tonight it comes to a close. This is a global terminal event. No further broadcasts will follow. On behalf of BBC One and our public service colleagues, we thank you for your viewership, trust, and support throughout the years. Goodbye.